Good day! Thank you for choosing BDO Business Online Banking. Did you know that resetting your password is easy and can be done online? To get started, just follow the quick and simple steps that will be shown in this video. Step 1. Go to the login page of BDO Business Online Banking and click Forgot Your Password. Step 2. Type in your corporate code and user ID in the mandatory fields and click Submit. Step 3. Enter the one-time password that has been sent to your registered mobile number and click Submit. Step 4. You can now nominate a new password. Your password must contain a minimum of 8 and a maximum of 15 characters. It should have at least one of the following: an uppercase and lowercase letter, one number, and one special character. After resetting your password, you will be redirected to BDO Business Online Banking login page, and a confirmation message will appear showing that you have successfully changed your password. Step 5. You may now enter your company's corporate code, user ID, and new password to log into your business online banking. We'd also like to remind you to always keep your account secure. Do not give your login details and one-time password to anyone. BDO employees will never ask for this. Scammers pretending to be BDO employees may offer loan payment extensions and credit card approvals or threaten to close your account. Do not give them your information. Thank you for managing your account using BDO Business Online Banking. For further concerns, you may call us at 8840-7480 or email us at cms-sme@bdo.com.ph. BDO, we find ways.